This fast. Real tempura, shrimp tempura, egg whites. Bowl in the refrigerator, egg whites cold. Whip this up to a froth. Add the water with the egg yolks. And add the cold flour, only using chopsticks. And mixing it, but leaving lumps. Drop more water. Now you see how I stuck this right there. Left the tail on all the way through to the head, where the head's not there. Now put this in cornstarch. You have to use your finger. It may need some help because the shrimps are very straight. And this is the lumpy batter. Take it. The temperature right now is almost 350. We're going to put this in there. I'm only going to get one more. This is very time consuming and it's not that simple because the temperature has to stay rather hot. It dropped down to 345. It's getting back up to 350 right now. So we're going to put another one in there. And now we're going to wait. Now this is almost done. What we're going to do is we're going to take them out and put them on the paper and wait until, is this the first one or the second one? That looks like the second one. You take this one out. Careful, it's hot. And I used a small pot like this, but tall, so I could get this temperature gauge in there. And if you notice how the blistery bumps are, not smooth, so that's good. So after I do all of these, then we'll show the finished one. Okay, so you made these shrimps ahead of time. Now, pull out the sticks because they're going to have to be dropped in all at once into a different sized pan to just heat them up and keep them crispy when you serve them, because they have to be crispy served immediately. So you can't just do this a few pieces at a time when you're serving a dinner. Anyway, next step, we put it into another pan and serve it. Now I could have made my own dip, you know, soy sauce, sugar, and other ingredients, but this, I minced up some fine ginger into a bowl and using this. If you've ever used teriyaki marinated sauce, it's very tasty. So, easier. That's going to be the dip for the tempura.